Hey guys, how we doing? James Paradise here. Happy New Year. It is a new year. It is 12:30 in the afternoon. Happy New Year. Brand new 2020. Can you believe it? Check out the Caribbean right behind me. I'm in Mexico right now. That's the Caribbean Sea. And right across the water is an island called Cozumel. I'm in a little beach village right now called Playa del Carmen. Absolutely beautiful. And I live here. I've been here for a long time, like 2 years, more. And listen, I wrote a book called My Paradise Lifestyle. It's my life story, everything I've done in my life up to this point. Wednesday, January 1st, 2020. I'm 51 years old, and you will not believe the things I've done in my life. Some of the stories you just won't believe. So I want you to check out my book. Now, I got 2 books left. I have a short ebook, which is only about 20 pages. That kind of warms you up. And I also teach you how to make a lot of money doing what I do. So if you want to learn how to make multiple streams of income every day, every week, I want you to read the ebook. Then if you say, hey, I'm interested, James, I love this story, I can't put it down, and I absolutely want to learn how you make your money online and offline with real estate and Airbnb and apps and internet and affiliate marketing and consulting and lots of different ways to make money, guys. And it's a brand new year, 2020. So again, if you're only making one income, that's crazy. You just can't do it anymore. I mean, think about this. If you have $1 million one day and you retire, if you retire at 65, and most people can't even retire at 65 anymore, $1 million at 65 is not enough. If you live another 20 years from 65 to 85 and you only have $1 million, do you know on average most people will run out of that money in the first 10 to 12 years? They will run out of that money. Even at 20 years, think about it. 20 years divided by $1 million. If you think you're going to live on that, you can survive on it if you eat cup of noodles every day, but who the hell wants to do that? In retirement, you want to have fun. You need millions of dollars for retirement. Millions. Okay? My mom and my dad have little checks that come in every month. My mom worked her whole life. Her whole life she worked. 48, 50 years, more. And she gets a little Social Security check from the U.S. government totaling about $1,200 a month. Her bills are $700, $800. Think about that. My father gets a little bit more. He gets about $1,800 a month. It's not enough. No way. So if you're counting on that, you're stupid. So check out my book called My Paradise Lifestyle, right down in the description below this video. Click on the link. Go check it out. All my contact information is there. If you need help, if you would like to learn how to live a paradise lifestyle, and a lot of people say, James, what is a paradise lifestyle? I have a good life. Well, you have a good life, but do you have a good lifestyle? You were born with a life. You have to create a lifestyle. Let me say that again. We are all born with a life. We all have lives. You have a life. But what's your lifestyle? My lifestyle is walking around with shorts and flip-flops on every day as I run my online business. I pretty much do my business right here on the beach in the Caribbean. I have a place right behind me, a couple of blocks from the beach. 12 months of summer. This is my lifestyle. This is my paradise lifestyle. My paradise lifestyle is getting up in the morning and doing whatever I want to do whenever I want to do it. Nobody tells me what to do. I do what I want. If they tell me what to do and I like the idea, I'll do it. I'll even do it with them. But most people ask me, how do I do what I do? And then I show you how to do it, or I'll do it for you. How about that? You want to make $10,000 in a day? I'll show you how to do it, or I'll do it for you, or we'll do it together. Let's make $10,000 in one day. How about that? Let's do it. Okay, read my ebook and then get my book, My Paradise Lifestyle. Love to help you, okay? Click on the link in the description below. I'll see you soon.